Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make password protected PDF on laptop or PC. So firstly, let's go to Adobe Acrobat. Now choose a PDF you want to password protected, like this one. Double click on this PDF and you'll find here on top tools option. Click on this tools. Scroll down and you'll find here protect option. Click on protect. Now you can see on top protect using password. Just click on this protect using password and you have to choose either viewing or editing. I'm choosing viewing. The receiver will not able to edit the PDF. The receiver only can view the PDF after putting the password, or if you click on editing, you allow receiver to edit the PDF. Okay, now you have to type the password. Now click on advanced options and then click on encrypt with password. Click on yes. Then you have to put here the password again. Require password to open document. Now click on OK. Now you have to click here the password to open the document. Click on open. OK, and you are all set. Okay, now if you want to check that, double click and you can see that it is asking for password. Okay guys, so this is how we can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.